Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove ad account inside Business Manager. Now first of all, go to the Meta Business Suite on your Facebook through your Facebook account. Now once you are at the Meta Business Suite, it might take a few seconds to load, and if for some cases it is not loading or showing some kind of error, so you can just directly go to business.facebook.com, which is Meta Business Suite. So once you are at this page, Meta Business Suite, so once you're at this page, so from the left side, you will see an option like called settings. So just click on the settings. Make sure that you are not inside any of your pages because we are not looking for pages. So once you click on settings, as you can see, like we are inside the our business manager, ads business manager or meta business manager. So from the left side, you can just click on ads manager. That is your choice, or you can just click on the this option and just go to this one, our business manager directly. And once you're at this page, so from the left side inside the business info, you can see the ad accounts. Now we are looking for removing ad accounts. Now you can see like this is the current ID that is added or assigned inside the ad account. If you want to disable it or remove it, just click on deactivate. And once you click on deactivate, it will be directly deactivated. Now if you want to remove it permanently, like I'll show you if you can or not. Let's say here is the maximum number, so I can't create a new account, but you cannot remove an account from the business manager directly which is being added inside it. You can only deactivate it. That's your choice. If you want to deactivate it, if you want to remove the person from this section, you can just click on this delete, but you cannot remove the complete ID from here. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it inside the business Facebook manager. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.